Just sitting here, waiting patiently for us to arrive to our destination. What you doing, Avi? Trying to get to your destination too?
I want to see it.
You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it very soon. Okay.
Wow. That's cool. I want to go in. Mom.
Let's get out. We're already late. Come on.
Now I can still get my backpack back.
Okay. How you feeling, Marwan? How you feeling? All right. Are you ready to do this? They looking like, why y'all late? How you doing?
How do you end it?
That's just a security officer, Avi. Go inside.
So you put in the work, you've done